I bet you didn't know you can create YouTube videos in just 2 minutes. This is why you need to watch my tutorial on InVideo. Watch the tutorial and start creating.
First, we will be logging in using our Gmail account, but if you don't have one, you can directly create an account on the InVideo too. Now you can write the prompt of your own. Meanwhile, I am writing my prompt, that is, create YouTube video on AI. Once you are done with your prompt, press the button in blue, generate a video. Now you have to choose the desired options for audience, feel, and platform. To get a decent feel in your video,
Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm diving into how AI is shaping our everyday lives. Now, AI isn't just some futuristic concept anymore. It's right here, integrated into so many aspects of our daily routine. First up, let's see that's making our lives easier, healthier, and more connected. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments.
congratulations! Your complete video is ready with neat and clear subtitles.
Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm diving into how AI is shaping our everyday lives. AI isn't just some futuristic concept anymore, it's integrated into our daily routine. Imagine walking into your house and having the lights turn on and your favorite playlist start automatically. That's thanks to AI-driven devices like smart speakers and thermostats. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, from diagnosing diseases to personalized treatment plans. Self-driving cars are no longer a distant dream. Companies like Tesla are using AI to create vehicles that can navigate traffic and park themselves. Ever chatted with a customer service bot online? They use AI to respond to your queries. AI algorithms recommend products based on your past purchases. But with all these advancements, it's important to think about the ethical implications too. AI is making our lives easier, healthier, and more connected. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how AI is impacting your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.